We're going to begin with some breaking news, everybody, involving the Holyoke Soldiers Home at this noon hour. A Hampden County Superior Court judge has ruled that the governor and the head of Health and Human Services not legally able to fire the superintendent of the home. Welcome to Western Mass News at noon. I'm Taylor Jacobs.
And I'm Brittany Murphy. Bennett Walsh was issued a termination letter signed by Secretary Mary Lou Sutters after 76 veteran residents died following a COVID-19 outbreak at the home. Now let's get right to Western Mass News reporter Audrey Russo for the very latest. Audrey?
The attorney representing Bennett Walsh told me that when his client received a termination letter back in June, it wasn't valid. Now that attorney says the courts are siding with him. Attorney William Bennett says that because the Board of Trustees of the home has the authority to appoint the superintendent of the Holyoke Soldiers Home, they also have the sole power to fire that superintendent. He claims the governor and the Secretary of Health and Human Services do not have that authority. Walsh was issued a pink slip after 76 veterans died after testing positive for COVID-19. Governor Charlie Baker started an independent investigation conducted by attorney Mark Perlstein. That report criticized Bennett Walsh and accused him of mismanaging the home's COVID-19 outbreak, which began in March. Western Mass News has obtained a statement from attorney William Bennett, which reads in part, quote, "For several months, Superintendent Walsh has been vilified by Governor Baker, Secretary Sutters, and others. I hope that this decision will allow people to consider that perhaps that criticism is unfair and that the actual story of what happened has not yet been understood." Attorney Bennett tells me that Bennett Walsh is not planning to return to work at the home at this time. Now, we're going to continue to follow the latest updates with this case, but for now, I'm reporting live in Holyoke. Audrey Russo for Western Mass News.